Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to another episode of English language course. This is your host Waleed Nawaz and I warmly welcome to all of you on my official page English with Wali. This is the first lesson that today we will cover inshallah. But before starting a topic foundation of English, I would like to ask one question to all of you. Why do you want to learn English? This is a very important question because if you do not know exact purpose of your learning, then you will not be able to get it as per your requirement. If you want to learn this language and you want to get this language for the purpose of passing the exam or for the purpose of speaking confidently, my course will help you. English is not just a language, it is an opportunity, it is an open skill. If you can speak this language and if you are good enough to present yourself, you will easily get opportunities all over the world. This is the importance of English, and I create a complete plan from the basic to advanced level. I will cover all the aspects of English language course inshallah, and I will upload on my Facebook page so that you will make practice on it. You will have to solve the exercises. When you make practice, this is a very famous slogan, practice makes a man perfect. How practice makes a man perfect? Because when you are doing a practice, it will continuously repeating in your mind. When your mind is used to with the English language, by writing, by reading, by speaking and by listening, your mind will work according to the rules of English language. English language. Now we move to the topic, the foundation of English language course. And what are the basic unit of any kind of language? The basic unit of English language are alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F. These are 26 alphabets, and out of 26, 21 are called as consonant and 5 are called as vowel. English is all about 26 letters, just 26 letters, but there are a lot of concepts. You have to understand how they combine together and how they sounds. This is a thing, this is a technique, you have to learn it. Alphabets, when joined together, they make a words. And just like, for example, I am joining 2 or 3 letter in front of you, and just consider it as an example. I am joining A, B, C, D, E, F. These are 6 letters, but they give no information. They give no meaning to us. But when I am adding C, A, T, D, O, G, K, I, T, E, these combination gives a meaning. So what we have learned when we combine letters and they give us a meaning. This combination is called word, and words combination makes phrases, and phrases combination makes sentences. Now we move toward the definition of phrase. What is phrase? Phrase is the group of words. Just like word is a group of letters and alphabets, phrase are group of words. Just like word is a combination of letters with meaning, similarly phrase are the group of words with meaning. But there is a little difference between phrase and clauses and sentences. Phrase give us a meaning, just like, for example, I am saying that on the table, at the railway station. These are group of words. We understand there are something on the table, but what is on the table we cannot understand from the listening. So those things that cannot give us a complete information about anything, these are called phrases. And clauses are those things that are the combination of subject and verb. Just for example, the train will arrive at 7 p.m. This is a combination of subject and verb. The train will arrive at 7 p.m. This is a combination, and this is also called a sentence. So what we have learned so far, we have learned alphabet combine, and if they make meaning, this combination is called word. And word combined together makes phrases, but phrases will not give us a proper sense. Similarly, words combined makes clauses and sentences. Phrase, clause and sentence, these are 3 different things. All of these 3 has similarity, and the similarity is combination of words. What are the difference? The difference is phrase does not have a complete sense, clause will have a complete sense, it is a combination of subject and verb, and sentence give us a complete sense. You can say clause is a subpart. By adding different clauses, we make sentences. Clause is a subpart of sentence, and we add clauses together and make lengthy sentences. Just like compound sentences are joining by 2 clauses. We will cover it in the next episode, inshallah. Till for that, you will practice this session and you will make research on it. And if you have any query, go into the comment and ask me. I will try to rectify your problem, inshallah. See you in next episode. Take care. Allah Hafiz.